Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and what you see behind me is a 2004 Chevy Impala. I just drove this car. I'm inspecting this car for a friend of mine that want this car to be her daughter's first car and for she could learn how to drive. But I already made up my mind. This car is not passing inspection in my area. The bottom is too rusty. For me, it's not going nowhere. But when I drove it and I heard a little sound like a noise in the bottom. So we're gonna diagnose the problem. I already know what it is, but I'm gonna show you what to look for if you're having the same problem while you're driving. Let's go under the car. Here I am. I'm in the driver's side, and you got this flex pipe here, and you see this O-ring. This O-ring is broken. This O-ring is supposed to be holding this whole muffler and all that in here. As you can see, it's broken. There's another one over here that's holding it, but this one is broken. So what's happening when he's driving, I cannot duplicate the noise right now, but when you're driving at high speed, what happens is hitting this metal here. So this rubber piece has to be, this O-ring has to be replaced, and then once you replace it, the way to take it out is just move this back. We're gonna need a pair of pliers, put the new O-ring, and then pick this up, and the O-ring is gonna go right in here. Not only that I noticed this O-ring, I'm gonna show you in the other side, the whole metal piece is gone, and that's the reason why we are having this noise. So if you're having this noise, check these O-rings first, because they usually, after a while, they go bad or they break. Let me show you the other side. So here I am. I'm in the rear now of the car, and you see this right here, this pipe. This pipe right here is supposed to go in a metal piece that's here with an O-ring. As you can see, this car is so rusty that it's gone. So there's nowhere to put this with the rubber piece in the top to hold on. So what's happening is the car, the muffler and the flex pipe, everything is moving and it's making that noise. So the whole welding came off. So this is why this car is making noise while it's driving high speed, because it's hitting the metal. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.